Hey,
I'm Paula.
I'm Cecilly.
I'm her mom.
I'm the daughter.
And welcome to this Made Up Life. We are so excited today to come to you from
Rise Apparel.
We're in the actual store. There are so many cute things here, and we'll be showing you around the store in just a minute. But we wanted to show you a couple of our picks, and then we're going to do the swap and see how the other person styles her pick. So Cecilly, tell us about what you've got.
So I'm really digging denim skirts right now, and I think they're pretty trendy, and they go with everything. So I picked this fun, tighter denim skirt, and then I went with a more loose button-up top. Now the top actually has this fun little tie, so you could wear it, you know, this way, but I thought it would be more fun to tuck it in, and then I left my drawstrings hanging out as like a interesting design touch.
Cute, cute.
So yeah,
let's see the back of the skirt.
Yeah, and just like simple.
Oh, I like
pockets. Yeah,
really, really cute.
Frayed edge.
How does it feel?
It feels so good, and it's stretchy, so you can move around in it, dance.
Ooh, wow!
Oh yeah.
What size are you wearing?
I am wearing a large, and I normally wear a size 6 or 8 in jeans.
Okay, very cute. I like the buttons down the front.
Yeah.
And I really like the way you did the bright shoe with it.
Highlighted the pink. So
no, cute. I love it. Okay, so I did this cute dress, and I'm really into right now white socks. It's kind of like that. It's one of those fashion rules that everybody said. You know, I grew up being told you can't wear white socks. No white socks unless you're wearing them with tennis shoes. But I'm kind of loving it. So I did this cute dress with just a little fishnet white sock and these adorable red Mia shoes, clogs. They're so cute. And it's just such a fun way to add a pop of color. And then I added the leather earring to match. And I don't know, those of you who know me know I am like a camo addict.
I love
camo. And so I threw on a camo jacket with it, and the reason I did is I wanted to kind of break up all the stripes. I love the stripes, but I also wanted to just kind of break it up a little bit, and so I went with the camo because camo is a print that is very different from a stripe.
Mm-hmm. But it also calls to you. It's one of your favorites.
Yeah, it speaks to me. So it's really, really cute.
I like how it's kind of fitted and elastic in the back.
Yeah, isn't that great?
Yeah.
It's a great jacket, but it's also just a really, really fun little dress.
Oh my gosh, that's so cute.
Isn't that fun?
Yeah.
I love like the neckline and back. Yeah. It's just really.
And does it have pockets?
And a little bit of a. Check that jacket. Yes, it does. It has pockets. It also is the skirt is lined.
Oh, that's nice.
Woo-hoo, it's so nice. Then you don't have to worry about being like, oh, whoo.
Wearing your just in cases.
Yeah. So, all right, we're going to switch it up. And in the meantime, we're going to show you around Rise Apparel.
And we're back.
And we're back. So Cecilly, tell me about what do you think about this dress?
So I love that this dress it's so perfect on its own, and so I didn't want to overdo it with a vest or just something else, and so I just added a simple scarf and a pop of color like a blue heel because I love heels and I love pops of color. So yeah, but again, this dress fits really well.
Yeah, so that's a size medium. And you are 5'11"?
Yes, I'm 5'11", so.
I'm 5'8", so you could see the difference. The dress was a little bit longer on me, but I also wore the size medium. I tend to wear like an 8 to 10.
Yeah.
In like street sizes, I guess.
Clothing. Yeah. clothing.
So yeah, I think it's really cute. It would make a really fun, bright Easter dress.
Oh, right? Yeah, super cute.
Yeah, great way to enter spring.
Yeah.
Very cute.
What do you have going on?
Okay, so Cecily gave me the challenge of the short denim skirt, so I'm feeling a tiny bit exposed. But I do love this look. So I found this great graphic tee. It says Carpe Diem. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, right?
You know, like
life.
Love it. But I'm not going to lie. I am completely in love with this. This jacket, it's a black and the it's cream. It's not bright white.
It's not white.
It's got pockets. I put it on with a belt just so that it would give me a better proportion.
Broke it up. Yeah.
But this jacket is absolutely fabulous, and I put it on with these cute
leopard espadrilles kind of sneakers.
Yeah, they're kind of the cheetah sneaker.
Yeah.
So it's kind of a fun
playing with proportion and colors.
Look.
Yeah.
Yeah, I absolutely. And this skirt, hello, you're right.
Right, stretchy.
So stretchy, so comfortable. I would also throw it on over a pair of like leggings
or tights,
just because. And I can hardly wait to try some bike shorts this year.
Oh my gosh, right? I'm so stoked for bike shorts. Yeah.
But yeah, I totally love this jacket, you guys. This is a medium. It's supposed to fit oversized, but I have to show you because it is amazing.
Yeah, it was hanging up, and we both saw it, and we were like, "Oh my gosh, that's it. That's
Isn't this
the
great?
one."
This is like this is like what I would call one of those most perfect pieces because it becomes the item that you throw on in your wardrobe. It can go over anything. So you're headed to the gym, and you wanted to just stop and get some breakfast afterwards or something. This is that piece that just makes you feel pulled together.
That third piece.
Gotta love it. All right, so you guys, for watching this video, and if you go shopping at
riseapparel.com,
you can use the code
StyleRise
when you check out for a 20% discount. So definitely go riseapparel.com.
She got a bunch of new stuff in, and so it's really exciting to see all the like spring favorites.
It's going to be really fun. If you like the video, don't forget to like
it, share it,
and follow.
Like, what's that third one?
We switched that around.
Follow.
Hey,
whatever.
It's all good.
You know.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks, guys.